What about him?
I miss him.
You miss him?
Yes.
I think I should throw you in this pile of clothes.
No. 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 Not to throw this. No, where are you taking me? Where are you taking me?
Oh no, I'm dropping you!
Somebody help me. I got you. You got me?
Nope, I don't got you. Oh no, I'm dropping you. Oh
I'll try another one. I'll try another. I'll try another one. I want my mommy. I want my mommy.
no. You're a little baby. What do you want to do today?
I just want you to carry me.
Why?
But I want you to carry me even some more.
Why?
Please, 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 please.
What do you want to do today?
I just want you to carry me.
Okay, let's go.
Carry me.
Let's go.
I just want you to carry me.